How to join WhatsApp group with link. So if you want to join WhatsApp group with link, then first of all you need to open up your WhatsApp application. And let me tell you one thing, that if you want to join a group with link, then someone like the admin of that group need to send you the link. So here I have the link to a WhatsApp group, so you can simply tap on that link, and here you will have an option of join group, which is on the bottom of your screen. So you can simply tap on join group, and after tapping on join group you have been joined to that WhatsApp group. So you can simply tap on view group, and here you have joined that group. So it says that you have joined using this group's invite link. So if someone has sent you the link to the WhatsApp group, then you can simply tap on that link and you will be joined. So that's it, that's how you join. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.